Ever imagined a world where you can travel without stepping outside or tailor your diet based on your DNA? Welcome to 2024, where the digital age isn't just evolving, it's reshaping our lives in ways we've never seen before. Today, we're diving deep into 10 groundbreaking online business ideas set to redefine the way we work, play, and experience life itself. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only discover the digital frontier's next big gold mines, but also understand the profound shifts awaiting us in the online realm. So buckle up and get ready to journey into the future. Number 1. Virtual reality or VR experience centers. Virtual reality has experienced explosive growth over the past few years. With the advancement of VR technologies and more affordable equipment, the demand for unique and immersive experiences has surged. VR experience centers are online platforms that offer a vast range of simulations, games, and educational tours. These platforms cater to people looking to explore virtual worlds, indulge in adrenaline-pumping games, or even take a walk through historical eras. While setting up the actual platform can be a technical challenge, the upside potential is vast. The VR experience can be expanded into sectors like education, tourism, and real estate, providing a 3D tour of historical sites, properties, or even molecular structures for educational purposes. It also appeals to diverse demographics, from students to thrill seekers, broadening its market reach. Furthermore, as remote work and online collaboration become more prevalent, the demand for virtual team-building activities and corporate training in a VR environment will only grow. The VR Experience Center isn't just about games. It's a versatile space with applications that span across sectors. Number 2. Personalized nutrition and wellness plans. Personalized nutrition is an innovative approach to health and wellness, relying on genetic, biometric, and lifestyle data to tailor nutrition recommendations. As people become more health conscious and aware of their unique nutritional needs, personalized plans are gaining traction. Businesses in this domain require collaboration with nutritionists, health experts, and sometimes even genetic counselors. With AI and machine learning algorithms, it's possible to analyze the vast amount of data and offer bespoke dietary advice. This approach guarantees more accurate and effective solutions compared to generic dietary guidelines. Moreover, there's a tremendous opportunity in developing interactive platforms that offer continuous monitoring, feedback, and modifications. Pairing it with IoT devices such as smartwatches and health trackers can provide real-time data, enabling instant adjustments to one's diet and exercise regimen. The era of one-size-fits-all is passing, and the future of nutrition and wellness is personal. Number 3. E-education platforms for niche skills. While mainstream online education platforms are abundant, there's an untapped market for niche skills. From rare musical instruments to indigenous art forms, niche e-education platforms can offer courses that aren't commonly available. Creating a dedicated platform for such unique skills could attract enthusiasts from around the world. With advancements in AR and VR, lessons can be made interactive and engaging. It's not just about watching videos, it's about immersive learning experiences. Moreover, there's an inherent value in preserving and promoting rare art forms and skills. While the mainstream might overlook them, a dedicated community can keep traditions alive and thriving. Collaborating with experts in the respective niches can help maintain authenticity and quality of content, ensuring credibility and trust. Number 4. Ethical fashion platforms. The fashion industry is undergoing a significant transformation as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Ethical fashion platforms cater to this demand by offering sustainable, eco-friendly, and fair trade clothing options. Such platforms collaborate with brands and artisans who adhere to ethical manufacturing practices, use sustainable materials, and ensure fair wages. The emphasis isn't just on fashion, but on the story behind every garment. Transparency is key. The growth potential for ethical fashion is tremendous, with an increasing number of consumers willing to pay a premium for ethically produced items. Combining this with engaging content about sustainable practices, the artisans' stories and the impact of ethical fashion can create a loyal and passionate community. Number 5. Virtual interior design consultancy. With more people spending time at home, there's been a surge in interest in home improvement and interior design. A virtual interior design consultancy offers the advantage of professional expertise without the need for physical visits. Clients can upload photos or videos of their space, and designers can provide consultations, 3D mock-ups, and product recommendations using specialized software. This method not only offers convenience, but also opens up the market beyond geographical boundaries. As homes evolve into multifunctional spaces, offices, gyms, schools, the demand for optimizing space is on the rise. A virtual interior design consultancy can offer solutions tailored to these evolving needs, making homes more adaptable and functional. Number 6. E-agriculture platforms. Agriculture is a crucial sector, and e-agriculture platforms can revolutionize the way farmers operate. These platforms can offer solutions from crop recommendations based on soil analysis to real-time market pricing. E-agriculture isn't just about farming. It's a holistic approach that incorporates technology for better yield, efficient resource utilization, and direct-to-consumer sales. By integrating IoT devices, drones for field analysis, and AI-driven predictions, these platforms can make agriculture more sustainable and profitable. Furthermore, such platforms can provide training content, bridging the knowledge gap in modern farming techniques. As the global population grows, making farming more efficient and sustainable will be paramount, and e-agriculture platforms are at the forefront of this transformation. Number 7. Online elderly care services. With an aging global population, there's a growing demand for elderly care services. Online platforms can offer telehealth services, companionship, cognitive exercise, and even virtual reality experiences tailored for seniors. Such platforms can play a crucial role in addressing issues of loneliness and mental well-being. They can connect seniors with professionals or peers, enabling interactions, shared activities, and group sessions. The platform can also integrate with health monitoring devices, providing real-time data to caregivers and family members. As healthcare advances increase life expectancy, focusing on the quality of life in the golden years becomes essential. Online elderly care platforms can offer solutions that ensure comfort, health, and happiness for seniors wherever they are. Number 8. Personal finance and investment advisory platforms. Financial literacy is essential, yet many lack the resources or expertise to manage their finances effectively. Personal finance and investment advisory platforms can offer tailored advice, AI-driven insights, and real-time tracking. Such platforms can cater to different demographics, from students to retirees. They can offer solutions for debt management, investment strategies, retirement planning, and even cryptocurrency insights. With secure data handling and transparent operations, these platforms can earn user trust. Moreover, integrating gamified elements can make learning about finance and investment fun and engaging. As the financial landscape evolves with new instruments and challenges, having a reliable platform to navigate these changes becomes invaluable. Number 9. Digital art and NFT marketplaces. The world of art has entered the digital realm, and NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are at the forefront of this revolution. Digital artists can mint their artworks as NFTs and sell them on specialized marketplaces, ensuring authenticity and ownership. These platforms aren't just about sales. They can host virtual art galleries, artist meetups, and even augmented reality art tours. Collaborating with artists and integrating blockchain technology ensures transparency and trust. As the boundaries between the physical and the digital world blur, the value and appreciation for digital art will only grow. NFT marketplaces provide a platform for artists to showcase their talent and for enthusiasts to own a piece of the digital future. Number 10. Virtual travel and exploration platforms. Travel restrictions and safety concerns have given rise to virtual travel platforms. These platforms offer immersive experiences of destinations, cultures, and adventures without leaving the comfort of one's home. Using a combination of 360-degree videos, AR, and VR, users can explore landmarks, dive deep into oceans, or even trek mountains. It's not just about sightseeing, it's about experiencing the sounds, stories, and sometimes even the sense of a place. These platforms can also serve educational purposes, allowing students to take virtual field trips or learn about history firsthand. In a world where physical travel might have limitations, virtual exploration keeps the spirit of adventure alive and thriving. And there you have it, folks. From virtual escapades to futuristic farms, 2024 sure promises a wild ride in the digital realm. If you enjoyed this peek into the future, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep dreaming big and surfing the waves of innovation. Catch you on the digital flip side.